Is it better to buy or rent a home? Hi, my name is Kevin Mitchell, your Washington Realtor with Fathom Realty. Despite what you may hear, there's no single right answer. But don't panic, I'm here to help. Start by asking yourself this one question: how would owning a home change my life? Before you begin the pre-approval process, say that 3 times fast, pre-approval process, however, it's important to consider how homeownership would affect your lifestyle. Aside from the long-term financial gains, in general, you should be prepared to invest more time and energy in owning a home than you do renting one. There can be a fair amount of upkeep involved, especially if you buy a fixer-upper or overcommit yourself to a lot of DIY projects. If you only lived in an apartment, for example, you should be surprised by the amount of time you spend maintaining the lawn. On the other hand, you might relish the chance to tinker in your very own garden, make HGTV-inspired improvements, or play with your dog in the big backyard. Or if you're more social, you might enjoy hosting family gatherings or attending block parties with other committed homeowners. The great thing about owning a home is that you can generally do what you want with it, even if it means painting your walls Fiesta Red one month. Make sure you're not check with your HOA first. Or eggplant purple the next month. The choice, like the home, is all yours.